Hello and welcome to a new episode of Mostly Engineering, and also hello from a very hot Berlin. In the moment in Berlin-Brandenburg, and I guess in the rest of Germany as far as I heard as well, we are suffering from a heat wave with temperatures up to 36 degrees. If you are from a country near closer to the equator than we do, you might laugh about these temperatures, but for us it's quite hot, especially over the prolonged period of time we experience it. Usually it can happen for 1 or 2 weeks in the whole year, and now we already have it for about 4 weeks, and summer is only half over. And this poses a problem because usually we don't reach these high temperatures. Usually summer is quite nice, and then we have a long winter where it's cold. German households are equipped with a heater, but nearly no one has an air conditioning. What at these temperatures is kind of a problem. But we are engineers. We see a problem and we find a solution. So the topic of today is how to build an air conditioning with the stuff you might have at home. So the first ingredients we take is a fan. A fan itself might be a bit of cooling, but at the end it's just shifting hot air from one end of the room to another end. And we want a bit more efficiency. We are engineers, we like efficiency. So the second ingredient we need for our air conditioning is a pan or something else that can hold water and has a large surface area. And be careful with plastics because it has to withstand 100 degrees centigrade for a short period of time. It probably won't melt in this time, but it maybe loses its shape. And the last ingredient is freshly boiled water. And to now build our air conditioning, we fill the boiled water into the pan and then let the fan blow the air over the hot water in our direction. In the first couple of seconds it will be hot, you will feel the heat of the water, but very shortly after, so a few seconds after, you will feel the cool, refreshing air. And the interesting question now is, why does it work? Why does hot water cool us down? And the answer is the property of water. Why water is cooling in the first place? Why do we like to be at a lake or at a river when it's hot? And the reason for this is the water circle. So in our atmosphere we have the liquid water in rivers and lakes and oceans and other bodies of water, and this water evaporates. So it changes from a liquid state into the gas state, then going in our atmosphere, forming clouds, forming precipitation, and then form from rain and snow fall back to Earth again. And this circle goes round and round and round. And in order for the water molecules to go from a liquid state into the gas state, it needs energy. And this energy comes from the air, and heat is nothing else than energy. So in order for the molecule to evaporate, it takes the heat out of the air and then changes its form. And therefore the air around it gets cooler. And the reason why now hot water is much more efficient is because if you have hot water was near its boiling point, a lot more water molecules are ready to evaporate. So a lot more of them evaporate and take much more energy out of the air around it and cooling the air down. And then the fan is blowing the nice cool air in front of us, and that's how we do our air conditioning. That's all that is to it. If you have questions, just write it in the comments below, or if you have comments, they are welcome as well. And then I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it cools you down in these hot days, and all that's left to say is thanks for watching and see you at the next time. Bye bye.